Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. You will help, right? Great. So, we're trying to figure out what kind of weather Blue thinks is coming. And our clues are a cloud, a water drop, and freezing. So, what kind of weather could Blue think is coming with a cloud, a water drop, and freezing? Well, let's see. Hey, what happens when water falls from a cloud? Yeah, it rains. Right. But what if it's freezing? Really, really cold. Well, what kind of weather comes when it freezes? It snows. Yeah, of course, Blue. Do you think that snow is coming? Great. We just figured out Blue's clues.